This video is just for education purpose.
Hey traders, welcome back to my new video. Today in this video, I'll discuss how to get a 100K funded challenge for free. Yes, it's absolutely free. Before starting the main video, I would like to request you to subscribe to this channel and like this video. Please help me to grow this new channel. Now, let's get back to the main topic. Want to get a funded challenge of 100K absolutely free? Join their free internship and access trading capital. Unlock up to $10 million in funding by demonstrating your trading skill. Prove, trade, earn. Pass a free internship evaluation. Show your skills, prove your potential, and qualify for funding. Get funded. Receive your funded account and start trading with their capital. Earn as you trade. Trade successfully and keep the profits you earn. Internship conditions. Free entry to the internship. Capital, $100,000. Duration, 4 weeks. Profit target, $1,000. Weekly profit target, $250. Drawdown limit, none. Attempts, unlimited. You can try unlimited attempts. Leverage, 1-to-1. Up to $10 million funded account. 24/7 instant withdrawals. 0 participation costs. Funded account terms. Profit target, 5% of capital. Drawdown limit, minus $1,000. Profit split, 20% of the profit. Leverage, 1-to-1. Drawdown limit increase, minus $1,000 for every plus $100,000 capital increase. Profit splits and capital increases are issued only when the profit target is reached by market close on Friday. Trusted by professional traders. Best trading conditions, 0 commissions. Institutional spreads, personalized support, no requotes, best execution. Frequently asked questions. Got questions? Here got answers. How do you get started? Getting started is easy. Just follow 3 simple steps. Download the app from the Play Store and sign up. I'll attach the link in the video description. Verify your account. Start your internship straight from the app. Please note that at the moment they only provide their services to individuals and therefore do not accept corporate emails. Are there any hidden rules or strategies? Not at all. It's simple and transparent, so all rules are clearly stated in the length of 1 page. As for strategies, you can use whichever works best for you. So, what are you waiting for? Start right now. Go to my video description, click the Get App link, and install the app on your phone. Use my partner code upon registration, verify your profile with a simple step, only 1 document required, and start your evaluation to get funded. If you get this video valuable for you, please like this video and subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel for regular opportunities like this. That's all. See you in the next video. Till then, bye-bye. Thank you.